Hi, I'm Gary Hughes, otherwise known as Nova Agent, and this is Yogi. He's the hardest working dog in real estate. This is Douglas Park. It is an amenity-rich area in South Arlington. We're here at Wakefield High School, which is the neighborhood high school for Douglas Park. Last year, about $12 million in scholarships and grants was earned by students. 92% of the students went on to college. And the other reason I know that it's really, really good is because that's where one of my sons graduated from. For a long time, Douglas Park has been an underserved community. However, Arlington has made a dedicated effort to changing all of that. One of those investments that the county is making is here in Fire Station number 9. There's advanced life support, prescription drug drop-off, and a safe zone if you're feeling threatened. It's a real asset to the community. Douglas Park, if it's anything, is a friendly neighborhood. The houses here are diverse. You can buy a house here and make it your own. One of my Douglas Park clients bought this house. They renovated it completely. It looks like a Douglas Park house, doesn't it? But it's 3 times the size. This is a great place to live. So on the southern border of Douglas Park is West Villages of Shirlington. This was an apartment complex. In 2004, it was purchased and gutted and filled in with all new appliances, electricity, plumbing. It has everything you'd want in a condo. One of the reasons this is so popular is because you're just walking distance to all of the amenities in Shirlington, and it is a good place to live. That's what my clients tell me who have bought in here and actually live here. So, Yogi and I have given you a glimpse of Douglas Park. I hope you've enjoyed it, but if you really want to know Douglas Park, you have to come out and see it. My name is Gary Hughes. You can find me on Facebook as Nova Agent or on Instagram as Nova Agent Gary. You can also email me at gary@novaagent.com. I look forward to hearing from you. I really want to show you Douglas Park. I think you're going to love it. Matter of fact, I can't imagine that you won't.